Katnat Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs, Jong Sarkar Jila Meghalaya, Kalami Shakmat ban pensau tui ke pajba, ya ke jingdon kam ban pynïasoh ya ke Aadhar, bat ke Rishon Card, ban laj na kino jinge hadin habon. Habakran kinong to akubor, Hasilong Press Club Menteri Katnat Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs, uba coming one Yombon, ula kentui ke pajba ban mi Shakmat, ban pynïasoh ya ke Rishon Card, bat ke Aadhar, na kabanta ke jingmyntoi jungki. Ula ban rabru da kabaong bagi pajba gede benyo ya ukau babha uba ke sorkar kelamang na kabanta jungki. Balada ki pajba kiyo ya ukau basniu gede ban ujor kenang ba ke sorkar kan le ya kabadon kam.
Well, the state is one of the beneficiaries, like all the other states, under the National Food Security Act, and 50.87% of rural of urban population and 77.79% of rural population of the state, as per the Socioeconomic Caste Census 2011, is covered under the NFSA, which in the past used to be called the Public Distribution System. And a lot of initiatives have been taken under NFSA for right to food, to make sure that the people don't go hungry, so that there's this food security which is extended to all the people who are needy. Basically, who are covered under two different categories: priority households and also the AAY under the Anna Yojana. So under the NFSA 2030, our state government has rolled out several initiatives for mainly for supply of rice, and to make sure that for the poor and for the disadvantaged sections in the state who are eligible as per the guidelines, which are different for urban and rural areas, they get some support of food security in the form of rice at very low cost and very subsidized rate of ₹3 per kg, and there is a scheme of PMGKAY which gives at zero cost as of now for 1 year. So that is under PMGKY. It's a special free ration scheme. During the toughest of days during the COVID, when there was a lockdown, our state could tide over the food crisis, and we were able to make sure that all the eligible households are getting rice. The pepper shop network of around 4,700 plus pepper shops did their duties commendably well and made sure that the rice could be lifted both from Food Corporation of India as well as from the fair price shops for proper issuance to the people. Today we are very happy that as part of the IEC campaign, the state is going to bring out pamphlets and audiovisual material which will take this movement forward, so that people are aware about their rights and people know what are the benefits, what is it that they need to do, particularly with regards to the Aadhar setting. So this is
because of what food security has a concept mean to the people of the state and to the nation at large. Through this food security campaign, the Department of Food and Civil Supply and Consumer Affairs Government of Nagaland aims to inform and educate so that everyone understands the various aspects of National Food Security Act. The National Food Security Act entails many things. People need to know more about AAY and DHH Rishon Card, who qualifies for this card. Anywhere in the world, by just seeing the Aadhar card to the Rishon Card. The Aadhar card is becoming very important in various aspects of life. For any citizen of India, it makes things very convenient, and this is true when it comes to food security and public distribution system also. The department has also collaborated with the UN World Food Program to ensure that we meet our objectives of ending hunger. Having said all that, I would just like to stress the fact that everything that we do need collective effort. We all need to actively participate in this campaign everywhere in the world. Food security is one of the noblest causes. However, it is only success if everyone participates and contribute to the process. I would like to thank our friend from the media for being here. Let us work together in spreading the word so that the people who benefit from the National Food Security Act are the ones who truly deserve it. Thank you. There is no last day for this Aadhar sitting. I think just now we have the workshop for all the deputy commissioners of the district. We asked them to improve this Aadhar sitting. As of now, you see, we crossed around 69 something percent. I think hopefully by the end of this year, we can achieve 100% target. Not necessary, not mandatory to all, but the government of India is pressing us to link this to do this Aadhar sitting because they want to transform the media system. Because through Aadhar, there is no duplicacy, there is no, that is the main thing for this Aadhar. Last time we happened in the Social Welfare Department, they didn't link the Aadhar, the government of India, they cut the allocation of the material. But even in the supply department also, if the people, they didn't link, because the government of India, they're trying to do the transparency. Even from our government also, we want the transparency. That's why we request all the beneficiaries to do the Aadhar sitting.
Just to add to what Sir has said, there is a system of sample checking at various levels. So this rice which is coming, it is coming through Food Corporation of India. It is rice which may have been milled in Punjab and some other state by the wholesale dealers. Then also it is not done, the lifting is not done just at the level of the wholesale dealers. There has to be some SI or some person who is in charge of lifting from the Food and Civil Supply Department who are also there. And finally at the level of FPS also, if due to some reason, because it has to travel from a very long distance, maybe because of rain, because of weather, some reason or the other, it may get spoiled also. FCI has told very clearly that they are willing to lift the complete amount of rice which may be spoiled due to some reason. They have given a word to Honorable Minister Sir in a meeting chamber. Yes, sir. The GM of a food corporation is that any place, any time there is some any kind of complaint that the rice is not as per the standards or quality, it should be seized and kept like that, and it can be exchanged with Food Corporation of India, and good quality rice will be given.
Duplicacy like Rishon Card and all. Because of this Aadhar, I think the government of India is more than 10,000 crores something. This Aadhar means to get the transparency, to get everything. No, that is the aim of the department, to request the beneficiaries to do the Aadhar sitting.
Kalau itu ingat, ikat ini. Dunia bukan dunia. Oh, nanya rahasia tak. Jesus, if you keep me, this is the anak cuma.
quay chị không thế liên bật là để chim khao ra sân ạ
hả khao ra sân belum
thằng nó biết bạn chỉ năng yên ra đang khao ra sân
để chia yêu khao ra yêu sớm
ô con ông sợ lệ gì nằm tiếp xe bà cái đời này phải bắt nó bọc là bạn này sân bạn đấy giờ à bà khao ra sân nhiều cái đời có biết hả
tay ta kena ani khao ra sân đi
ni mình vẽ yêu mình cả sân hả
ini sih maksudnya Kiki punya, ada CIA, bersama lain ni. Perintah cinta tak akan terjadi. Minta itu juga. Perintah, benar tu.
adik em review hả
Ini berikut jarum. Aceh.
Emergency kapit ada house pedes metin na depan kawasan ya lain pesan kilo kaman punah
Pasukan ini benar-benar naik kau ini.
metin pakohom ya kau dapat dikenadalaan NFSA dan informasi
Nanti raya san kilo mal spesifik ada ye. Tikam yo live san kilo. Iba yo san kilo. Paya kan dengar sudah kau. Kesal nak cerita ngai bapin pengdeng di besar. Dibeli kilo dekat rumah ni.
tapi hapri na sudah
Oh, cuma pakai dalam uji sudah. Ya, ya.
Dan arti istim nak kebentai itu digunakan kecil. Kakak penting, dari nak kebentai betul, kita perlu kakak tidak change. Kecil san kilo kau, sikit mana kena nak istim. Kakak setempat dari ke anti wadaya, anak yujana. Karena kedai nak kebentai itu betul guna betul tas. Kai lain san kilo kau, mana kena itu kita hidup. Ini adalah arti istim sekarang. Dia harus kepada akador kebetulan apakah banyak dijual akador dia.
Langsung kilo mana? Tadi pasal piar makasih. Nanti orang yang bahasa Islam.
Ya nu, kamu yang kita kakak rasion, lah kami waktu masa akor orang.
Kadang itu orang tak. Medisi ini langsung.
Kau ni, nama kata, ni kau bangyo di 45 guys.
45? Sao bisa nikah?
MS-nya, 45 kemud ukau berkelak batikin jaga kau vitamin nak kebentar dan teh kan. Tambah hidung pati kendor di bakat nak saudara dan dur syua menaik rasion. Bagi orang custom kita memang syuk kendor. Itu kilong yang kita don tang yang terapsi kamera kilong yang hakabat. Tidak kita kai bersama we pelat pelat kulim ni kepala syakit ni syong ni pelat kulim kilong yang kabat kita tidak tang kita dunaya hak kran ni tam yang kita sedang kata. Kita dalam syuk kendor naik